how to become that guy and achieve that celebrity lifestyle that you see so often on social media. We will explore the 5 important aspects of living the dream life of an elegant 18-year-old boy who looks attractive, drives expensive cars, visits exclusive locations, and has everything in order with money. You can achieve this image without having huge amounts of money, even though it may sound unbelievable. To find out how to do this, watch the video until the end. My name is Shadow Tropy, and now let's talk about the first step, the exterior aspect. The first thing you need to take care of is getting your body in shape. And I don't mean you have to be like Schwarzenegger, it's enough to have a V-shaped body. The exterior aspect also includes clean facial skin. Determine your skin type, dry, oily, or combination. Integrate a cleansing gel, an eye cream for dark circles, and a moisturizer into your facial care routine. Your face, just like your body in the gym, represents untapped potential that you underestimate. Also, start using perfumes. A pleasant scent won't harm you. On the contrary, it will differentiate you from the crowd. Stage 2. Wasted time. Eliminate social media and games from your life. Use them only for specific purposes, or allocate separate time for them. Access the settings on your phone and check how much time you spend there. You will be very surprised. Use them only for a limited time, or if you earn money from them. As for games, forget about them completely. They are a useless waste of time that will not help you in any way. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, these are the places where you spend a few hours every day. When you give up all these useless things, you will notice that you can find time for the third stage. Stage 3. Behind the scenes. Everything you see in these videos is just small fragments of your luxurious life, but you don't see at all what brought him there. Behind the scenes are years of hard work and discipline. You need to know yourself, set your goals, and earn money. There are plenty of ways to make money nowadays. We live in the 21st century where all possibilities are open on the internet, especially now with all these AI tools. Dedicate time to self-improvement and learning a skill. Stage 4. Fashion style. Start dressing elegantly, as people are judged by their clothing. You can find outfit inspiration on Pinterest. Choose something suitable for you. For example, something that looks very elegant and stylish and is also budget-friendly. Find similar options in stores near your home. Pay attention to accessories, but don't overdo it and choose them according to the combination. Never mix skin tones or silver gold. Your hairstyle should match the shape of your face. You don't need a hairstyle that someone else likes. You need one that suits you. Determine your face shape and find something suitable on Pinterest in the same way. And forget about regular hair salons and only go to a good barber. Don't skimp on that because it's an excellent investment. Stage 5. Charisma. Don't forget about your behavior around others. When you talk, don't look down or around. Your gaze should be directed towards the other person's nose. Speak in a normal and confident manner and speak clearly and loudly. These are small details, but look at yourself and answer the question if these aspects are respected by you. And the most important thing in bonus. It is clear that for this way of life, you need serious money. But that's not all. You also have to have a financial education. Simply, the incomes of these people far exceed their expenses, and they can afford these things. I doubt that you have the money now to start investing in real estate or to open a business. In the scheme, there are many other methods of making money, both online and offline. On my YouTube channel, you can find many methods of making money and start romanticizing your life. Go to that fancy restaurant for a cup of coffee. It will be just a coffee, but you will feel on a whole other level. Get closer to the atmosphere you want to live in. Such small events will give you an incredible dose of motivation, and they will make your brain work without clinging to the scary present. You have been on the Shadow Trophy channel, and if this video helped you, at least with a sustainable drop with a like. Now watch one of these videos where I show ways to make money. I Shadow Tropy with you, and we'll see you next Sunday.